Hello friends, today is magical practice day 27, the magic mirror. You must have spent most of your life chasing after your dreams, your problems one after the another, but not succeeded in realizing all your dreams. Is it true? Well, if you make the magical power of gratitude a way of your life, your world will change magically. Because when you changed your thinking by being grateful to all the things in your life, it attracted all the good things in your life. As in the inspirational words of Mahatma Gandhi and in the lyrics of Michael Jackson, one of the most important and powerful messages delivered till now is change the person in the mirror and the world will change. By now, you must have practiced 26 magical practices and you have changed. But if you can't see the changes in your life directly, just feel the change in your happiness, the changes in the world around you. You have been practicing this magical practice of gratitude for your family, for your friends, for your work, health, money, and even those who you come across each day. But the one person you have to be more grateful for than anyone else is you, my friend. When you are grateful for yourself, the whole world will automatically and magically change. But if you carry the negative feelings that I'm not good enough, I'm not happy, I don't have this is not going okay, this is not as per my plans, then this feeling you carry with you wherever you go and in whatever you do. So you are attracting more negative feelings and more negative circumstances into your life. But when you start doing the magical practice of gratitude for the most important person, you will see all the situations are becoming more attracting to you in a more positive way. Because you changed, my friend. You changed your thoughts from negative to being more happy. Gratitude enriches you in being more happy and bringing and attracting the happy situations, happy people into your life. Today's magical practice in the magic mirror, you have to be grateful for the person in the mirror. So, you have to go straight facing the mirror right now. You have to look at the person in the mirror and you have to be as grateful as you can for the person you are seeing in the mirror, that is yourself. You have to say thank you for being who you are and feel as grateful as you can. You have to say thank you for being just as you are, for everything you have done for yourself till now. You must have felt gratitude for others, but today you have to feel grateful towards you by seeing yourself in the mirror and feel as grateful, even more grateful than you felt for anything or everything before. Because you are the most important person in the world. Only when you feel grateful from inside, you will attract all those happy things towards you. The situations will become more positive. So, in today's magical practice, for the whole day, whenever you see yourself in the mirror, you have to be grateful and say thank you as you are. You don't have to change yourself. Only when you change your thoughts, everything around you will change automatically. This is the power of gratitude. Because when you're grateful, all the happy things and happy thoughts come to you and negative things disappears. Negative thoughts of discontentment, dissatisfying and disappointment will magically disappear. You will not come to know how you changed, but the people around you will feel it in your thoughts, in the way you walk, the way you talk, the way you express yourself. They will say, how come you changed so much? But you know, my friend, this is only by being grateful to yourself. And if you're more brave today, whenever you see yourself in the mirror, you have to say loudly, thank you for being who you are and why you're grateful for you. You must have done so many things in your life till now. But being grateful to yourself is the most important thing. You have to do it today. Being grateful for yourself is the best act which you can give as a gift to yourself. And also remember day 1 practice of count your blessings. Say why you're grateful for those blessings, and at the end of each sentence say thank you, thank you, thank you, and feel as grateful as you can for those blessings. And before you go to sleep, just take the magic rock in your hand or close your fingers and say thank you for the best thing that has happened today. For being a calm listener, thank you, thank you, thank you.